Hi, do you love green like I do? Then come with me to this place, Waldecken number 10, which means at the corner of the forest number 10. This is in Germany, and I will be teaching there in April. There will be forest walks, there will be good food, and you are going to make new friends because this is a small group and we're staying all together in the same beautiful mansion that has a beautiful view, and we are going to draw. There will be laughter too. I have some fantastic creative challenges for you. I will do drawing demos. There will be daily assignments, and there will also be opportunities to relax and chat and get to know each other. There are just a few spots left, so you have to be quick. Follow the link below, and I really hope to see you in Germany in April.